What's up, YouTube? Back at it again with another video. And this is not a BMW. What the fuck is going on? Is it a stick? Oh, this could drive stick? Hell no. I don't know what I'm gonna get yet. If you guys don't know, follow my Instagram. I got into a car accident about a week ago, and they totaled my daily. I got T-bones. Priced up. So a buddy of mine actually, you can't park there, sir. A buddy of mine actually copped this last night, and he knows I've been looking for a daily, so he hit me up and he's like, dude, I got this SRT4, it's clean, no issues at all, it's running good. And I was like, all right, cool, just bring it by, we'll test it out, and then I'll cash you out if I like it. So obviously I liked it, I cashed out. But what I didn't know is this SRT4 is big turbo, built motor, and right now it's on 91. But obviously I'm looking to get a E85 tune just because I'm be driving it to work, and E85 is cheaper than 91. Yeah, guys, this is actually my third SRT4. I never really paid attention to them much, but now that I'm older and I have money to play with, then I got another one. So no, this is not gonna replace the 135. I just had to get a daily to get to work, so I got this. Yeah, guys, it's clean, it's cool, has an AM gauge, that's cool. 4 doors. But yeah, guys, this is the new daily. No, I'm not gonna build it, it's already built, LOL. But yeah, guys, no, this is not replacing the 135. I'm still undecided what I want to do. Damn, I need to take this shit out. Whoa. Guys, there it is, guys. Those I'm gonna get rid of. I like the stock wheels better, so yeah, here it is, guys. The little daily. What y'all think? All right, guys, check out the engine bay. It was clean, very well maintained. It's just fresh. It has a battery relocated in the back. Big turbo, boys. Today that it does have a built motor, so built motor, big turbo. It's just on 91, so I am gonna get the tune for E85 soon. And sick ass blow-off valve, catalyst downpipe, you know, all the works. It was a clean come up for the year 2004. I think it's very clean, drives good, no issues at all. ACT clutch, ACT. Honestly, guys, I think I made the right decision. It's gonna be a fun daily to drive to work. 5-speed and turbo noises. So I'm just gonna get some fruit real quick. Bam! Got my fruit, guys. So, yep. Perfect daily, guys. Perfect daily. Yeah, guys, so this is gonna be my replacement for the Corolla for now. So my replacement for the 135, I'm still debating on it. I got two or three options that I'm looking at right now. But my M3, I don't know, who knows? Sheesh. Yeah, guys, so I don't know. Here's a daily for replacing my Corolla. So yeah, guys, this is the new daily replacing my Corolla. Hope you guys enjoy it. I don't know if I'm gonna be posting this on the Instagram. I don't know if you guys want to see SRT4 content, but I got something coming that's replacing the 135. Hopefully you guys enjoy it and keep rocking with me. New day.